22nd of June 2022, we have Kotikyläntie Hembyvägen 7 staircase suite. This is the last original elevator here in this residential building. It was finished in 1987, but staircase is empty. Been built already in early 1985 here. This one has 5 floors. And also got 1987, early 1987, and this number is H64864. It's going to be inspected in next year, 2023. Is it right?
Yeah.
So probably in the beginning of 1985 they decided to build this D&E, and they finished 1987, 2 years later.
Dit var Q1 med tänkte på Espoo hiss.
Yes. Staircases A, B, and C have 6 floors, so just 5 floors. This staircase E was added in 2004.